So right now, you guys, I'm assuming you have 10 numbers in front of you.
Yes.
Or something like that. You've got 10 numbers there. So how many times over those 10 trials, hold your hands up with fingers, did it take you exactly one flip to get heads? I.e., you flipped the coin and it landed on heads on the first flip. Let me see fingers for this one. How many times did that happen? Good, a whole bunch of folks with 2 hands up. Okay, let's go around and count. We got 1, 2, that's 9, 13, 19, 27, no, 20, 28, 28, 31, 33, 39, plus 6 is 45, 52, 57, 62, 66, 70, 9, 85, 96, plus 7 is 103? How about 103? Happened 103 times.
So how many times we rolled heads in a row, basically? From the first time you rolled heads, then the next time you rolled it?
Oh, you got a bunch in a row, Marnie? You actually went like heads, heads, heads?
I do have some in a row.
Yeah, so basically, yeah, what I should have had us do, and I'm realizing this now, what I should have had to do is just flip the coin until you got heads and stop, and then counted those up, and then I had to do it again. So I wanted you to do 10 trials of this experiment. So if you got, give me your string of numbers that you got, your heads and tails that you got.
So tails, 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 heads.
Stop right there. That's 4. Tails, 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 heads. That's 4.
Okay.
Go again.
Tails, 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 heads.
That's 5. See what it did? That's 5. Go again.
Tails, 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 heads.
That's 4 again.
Heads.
That's 1.
Tails, heads.
That's 2.
Heads.
That's 1.
Tails, heads.
That's 2. You see what I'm getting at there, Marnie? So what you just drew, you're basically starting with a T, and you counting how many times it took you to get to heads. Sometimes it happened on the first flip, obviously, like it did right here. But sometimes it also takes longer to get it, like your tails, 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 heads. Crap, I apologize if I confused anybody, it sounds like I did. I think I confused few of you to get some good data out of this thing, I hope. How many times did it take us 2 flips to get heads? So how many times did you go tails, heads? And I apologize for being confusing, I do apologize. Tails, heads. Tails, heads, and how many times did we get that? We got 6, 8, 9, 13, 15, 18, 19, 23, 28, 33, 36, 38, 42, 43, 49. Yeah, 49, I got you. I think I got everybody. So 49 trials where we went tails, heads. That's what we're doing, right? Tails, heads. Okay, let's keep moving. How about 3 flips? Notice how I didn't ask you to fill this column out first like I did the time before. There's a reason for that. So how many times did it take us 3? Tails, tails, heads. How many tails, tails, heads run did you get? Kathy got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 22, 23, 24, 27. 27. Thank you. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. How about 4? Tails, 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 heads. Tails, 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 heads. Look at that. 4, 5 of them. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, you did. Did you hear what Ryan asked? Keep your hands up for 4. Ryan brought up something when I was explaining this. He's like, so I should flip 100 times? And I'm like, well, actually, I can't give you a guaranteed number of times you're going to flip. But after we have this distribution, I can give you an average number of times you have to flip, can't I? We can. Whatever the average is times 10 is going to be how many times you have to flip on average. And we'll come back to that. All right, sorry, 4. Cassidy, I think you had a couple of these, right? I didn't catch you the first one. 4, we're on 4. You had 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19. Beautiful. I know, thrilling, isn't it? 5! What do you notice is happening? What do you notice is decreasing as we're tailing off, right? This is not going to be a bell-shaped distribution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. 6. Oh, very cool. Oh, hiccup. 6, 7, 8, 9. Love it. 7. 1, 2, 2 of them. 8. Anybody above 8? So 7's the most. 1 of 7 was the longest we had. Very, very nice. Here's what I want you guys to do right now. I want you to now calculate a percentage column. I'm not calling this the P of X column yet, because this is based on our samples. It's based on our sample. I want you to do each of these divided by the sum of the frequency to give us a relative percentage based on our sample. Based on our sample. So in other words, whatever this adds up to, let's see, we'll have to add it real quick. Whatever that adds up to, divide each of these by that total to figure out the percentage of time it took us to get 1, 2, 3, and 4. 214 it is, which means Sean still can't count. Because that should end at 0, but it didn't. So we're going to let Sean go and just call it 214. So you're going to divide each of those bad boys by 214 and get a percentage. And then we're going to take a look and see if those numbers ring a bell with us. Somebody made a very, very astute observation that it looks like we're losing each time. We're going to have fewer and fewer people each time. My vote is it's predictable. Let's see if we can figure it out. Let's take some time and figure this out.